Hey everybody, this is Coach Arnie. I am over here at Black Mountain. I'm in my car, cooling down a little bit. And actually, I wanted to touch base. I haven't spoken to most of you in a while and give you an update on my R5 at 65 journey. At 65, my goal is to complete a double R3 at the Grand Canyon, which we now call an R5. And I will be doing that sometime around the 1st of November. That's the goal, weather dependent. And but in the meantime, I've been busy. I've had a couple canyon trips in the last couple months, and now in the middle of the summer, this is what I call my go time. And I know it drives a lot of people crazy, but here in Phoenix, Arizona, I just finished literally a almost 7-hour, 6,600 foot climb, vertical climb at Black Mountain, and finished in 100-degree heat, or plus 100-degree heat with the heat off the rocks. But I really feel good. And I was actually playing around a little bit on the mountain, but I've been heat adapting now for 6 weeks, and each week as the temperatures have gone up, I'm feeling better. So what does that tell me? Well, it tells me I'm on the right track, because as an exercise physiologist, my goal is to kind of break these things up so I can teach them. Not only can I do them better, but I can teach them to other people. Because the number one rule here is I've got to be healthy. And for you to do big things, you've got to be healthy as well. And for me to do an R5 at 65, I've got to be healthy. And then I've got to break this thing down. And getting heat adapted, training hard through the Phoenix summers gives me an edge. It gives me a big edge over so many people and things. It is a mindset bonus. Because people that back off in the summer because they're afraid, which is okay, or their family or friends tell them they can't go in the heat, it's too dangerous, that's okay too. You have to make the decision that is best for you. I have chosen to train through the heat. Hang on a second here. I got to take my towel, and that sweat is still coming down. I've made the decision to train through the heat because I have a big goal. I have a big challenge, and that means I've got to work hard. And that means I've got to, if I have to start a little earlier and go a little harder and slow it down, or whatever I have to do, I am going to do it to figure this thing out. And being heat adapted, it was worth the investment, because now the rest of the summer, and I've got 2 big heat events coming up, the rest of the summer is a bonus for me. It's a bonus because I've done the heat adaptation work. It's now my time to shine. And that's why I'm telling you guys, when you set a goal, when you have a big challenge, figure it out. What do you have to do? Break it down, get busy, and before you know it, you will be in the fun part of the journey. But you got to get through the work. You got to take that dream, that challenge, and put a pair of overalls on it and get to work. And then you'll see big things happen. All right, guys. So we're on target. It's July the 12th, I believe, 13th. And then it's July 13th. The goal is first part of November. So I'll be doing some more videos. Got another R3 coming up. Stay tuned for more fun stuff. Keep training. Keep following me on YouTube. Could share what you're learning. And if you got questions, you can always send me a message, or you can call me at 602-390-9144. Love you guys. Bye.